Hello guys, good morning. I am Sunil and this is MS Classes. So today I am here to teach you how to represent irrational number on a real number line. Guys, you know how to represent natural number and whole number on a real number line. Now today we will discuss how to represent irrational number. Let us take one example. So your example is express 9.3 under root on a real number line. This is your question. How to express 9.3 on a real number line? This is your question. Right? So your solution is, first of all we have to take line AB. Let AB is equal to 9.3 unit and BC is equal to 1 unit. So draw a structure. This is AB is equal to 9.3 and BC is equal to 1 unit. Right? AB is equal to 9.3, BC is equal to 1. Now let us take a center O. Take center of AC is O and draw a semicircle which pass through AC. So let's draw a circle which pass through AC. This is your semicircle. Right? Now draw a perpendicular at point B. It cut semicircle at point D. When we draw a semicircle at point B, it cut your semicircle at point D. Join OD. Now you have a triangle OBD. This is right angle triangle. Here we have a triangle, a right angle triangle OBD. Now guys, this is your triangle OB and D. OBD, and this one is right angle triangle. So guys, you have to apply the Pythagoras theorem on this triangle to calculate the BD. Now here AO is equal to, or OA is equal to OC, and this is equal to 9.3 plus 1 over 2, means 10.3 over 2. This is your AO, OC and OD. D, and this is equal to OD, right? So OD is equal to 10.3 over 2. Now we have one side of a triangle. This is 9.3 over 2. Now we will calculate OB in triangle OBD. Here OB is equal to, OB is equal to OC minus BC. This is equal to OC minus BC. OC is equal to (9.3). This is equal to 10. 9.3 plus 1 over 2. This is OC, and BC is equal to 1. After solving this, we have 10.3 over 2 minus 1 over 1, and this is equal to 10.3 minus 2 over 2 and 8.3 over 2 unit. So your OB is equal to 8.3 over 2 unit. Here OD is equal to 9. Your OD is equal to 10.3 over 2 and OB is equal to 8.3 over 2. Now we will apply Pythagoras theorem. Now we will apply Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle OBD, that is BD is equal to square root of OD square minus OB square, and this is equal to, put the value of OD, this is 10.3 over 2, 10.3 over 2 whole square minus OB. Your value of OB is 8.3 over 2. This is 8.3 over 2 whole square. Now after solving this, BD is equal to 10.3 whole square over 4 minus 8.3 whole square over 4 over the root, and this is equal to 10.3 whole square minus 8.3 whole square over 4 square root. And here we will apply the property a square minus b square. This is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here we have a is equal to 10.3, b is equal to 8.3. So 10.3 plus 8.3, 10.3 minus 8.3 over 4 under the root, and this is equal to 10 plus 8, 18.6 into 10 minus 8, this is equal to 2 over 4 under the root. And now we divide 2 over 4, this is only 18.6 over 2 under the root, and on dividing 18.6 over 2 we get 9.3 under root. So we get BD is equal to 9.3. Here BD is equal to 9.3. Here taking center B, radius BD, draw an arc. It cut BC at point E. So taking center B, your radius BD, draw an arc. It cut AC at point E, and this E point represent under root 9.3. So guys, on the real number line, point E is equal to under root 9.3 represent the solution. So this is your question, represent under root 9.3 on a real number line. So guys, this is the solution. So this is many questions for you, like under root 5.3 comma under root 2.9 and so on. These all for your homework. So guys, I hope you have understand the topic how to represent irrational number on the real number line. So guys, have a nice day. Thank you.